What is up, guys? It is time for the Tombstone pile driver. Rip Undertaker at Survivor Series. Right, Granny?
Oh, yeah.
And we
United.
actually watched Survivor Series on TV. Granny, what was that?
Huh?
What was that?
I don't know.
The Tombstone. Guys, it's great.
Reuniting the Undertaker.
Oh, no. Granny! With a tombstone! He just got nailed with a tombstone.
I can't put the arms on the body.
You can't cross Darth Vader. My turn, Granny. Oh, yes, of course. Oh, and the tombstone!
Oh my god.
Darth Vader is destroyed. Oh my god, Granny's taking him out. Granny, he's knocked out. He's knocked. Oh my god, Granny. Guys, Darth Vader is at some point in the. Oh no. Here, Granny, let me give Darth Vader a clean sweep. Let me give him a clean sweep. One second. Here, let me dust him off. Let me dust him off. He's stabbing Darth Vader.
I'm going to dust him off the trampoline.
Oh my god, Darth Vader just went flying. Guys, it's time to be Braun Strowman and toss people. Oh my god, Granny, she just threw the broom. Guys, it's time to be Braun Strowman and toss people back in rings. Oh my god! And Darth Vader, oh my god! He is broken in half. I'd rather get speared off the top ladder like Jeff Hardy did.
I think he got, oh yeah, look at that.
Look at the back of Darth Vader.
See that little mark right there?
Guys, his cape will eventually rip and die.
Yes.
And guys, Darth Vader was actually sitting right here watching Granny get tortured by mashed potatoes. And maybe if you don't...
Back in the ring, and I'm going to hit him
Here's
again.
some... Oh my god.
I'm going to hit him.
But there are some mashed potato stains from the other night.
Right back off in the air.
They're what, Granny?
You sweep him right back off the trampoline in the air.
Alright.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, I can't get a good grip on Darth Vader. Ugh. She just stabbed him. That's going to be the end of the video because Darth Vader is dead. Right, Granny?
Oh, yeah.
And as always, like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye, guys.